The declaration that was made declared Manipur as a disturbed area had very deep connotation under the Act. Any commission officer, warrant officer, non-commissioned officer, or any other person of equivalent rank in the armed forces may, in the disturbed area, if he is of opinion that it is necessary so to do for the maintenance of public order, after giving such due warning as he may consider necessary. Mr. Speaker, there is no need to read out the whole of it. Sri Saugata Roy. Fire upon or otherwise use force, even to the causing of death against any person who is acting in contravention of any law and order for the time being in force in the disturbed area prohibiting assembly. It means he is ordered to shoot to kill. Any non-commissioned officer can do so. And this is in a place where the Janata ministry is in power. They are being given blanket power to kill any person. This is the first time that this is being declared in the Manipur Valley. It has never been declared in the valley before.